Alright, in this step we want to implement the sample scene for AR. At first we don't need to have the main camera in our scene, so we will remove it and come here. After install the AR foundation from the package manager, we will come here in XR session, click on AR session origin. As you can see in here we have a main camera, AR camera, and also AR session origin with this component, and AR camera attached to this value for camera automatically. Okay, at first we do that, then we come here and click on AR session. Okay, right now we have everything we need for a simple scene for AR. For now, as you can see, the position of AR session and AR camera is 0, 0, 0. So I want to add some simple cube in front of AR camera. It is exactly in front of our view. Okay, I'll put it in here and save, and come here, build settings, AR location. Okay. Alright, after install your APK on your mobile phone, at first you need to make sure the camera permission for your application is on. For checking this, you need to come to settings and click on in the apps list, click on your application and check the permissions the camera is on. Okay, now go to your application and launch it. As you can see, when the first moment of application running, the cube is front of our face, because in the editor we did that. It is our object. It is our object, and we say the cube must be front of our camera. As you can see in the AR, the cube is front of our camera. This system of AR foundation helps us to do our mission.